Types of noun: common noun and proper nouns. Proper noun. Proper noun are name of a specific person, place, thing, animal or an idea. It always begins with a capital letter. For example, New York is a beautiful city. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Mr. George is our family doctor. Common noun. Common noun are names of people, places, things or animals of the same kind. These are names in general. For example, New York is a beautiful city. In this sentence, city here is the common noun. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The word ocean here is a common noun. And Mr. George is our family doctor. In this sentence, family and doctor both refer to common nouns. Few more examples of common noun and proper noun are: identify proper nouns in the given sentences. Identify common noun in the given sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct proper noun and common nouns. I hope that you understood the concept well. For more learning videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.